èèyàn ni so ọwọ́ àwùwà tí ọ̀dà tó fi di pé ọlọ́run àlákàá rẹ̀ ẹ rí i pé rírí tẹ́ ẹ rí ó dàbí ẹ̀gbọ́n rẹ̀ rù lórí.
èèyàn ní òkúta ẹ̀ ayé ìgbà kan máa ń jí láfún kámbẹ̀.
Igbeti, a town in Oyo State, is strategically located and centrally placed, having Ilorin, the Kwara State capital, to her east, Ikoyi to the south, Igbo and Shaki to her west, while the old Oyo National Park lies to the north.
Hi, my name is Joadi Tono, and this is Igbeti. And you see this rock in front of me is Iyamopo rock. Come, let me tell you the full story.
Igbeti is a beautiful town that has 16 historical hills, but Iyamopo and Igbeti rock are the two most visited of the 16 hills surrounding the town. So in this video, I am going to be talking about the history of Igbeti, the hills and the mountains. Igbeti is a town in Oyo State, Nigeria, with a rich history and cultural heritage. Igbeti has a strong connection with the deity Shango, who is worshipped as the god of thunder and lightning in Yoruba mythology.
Àyọnusọ pé ọ̀rọ̀ mìíràn ló jẹ́ ọba Ọ̀yọ́ àkọ́kọ́, ọ̀rọ̀ mìíràn sì jẹ́ ọmọ Odùduwà, bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni ọ̀rọ̀ mìíràn ló bí Ṣàngó. Nígbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ mìíràn gbẹ́sẹ̀ tán ní ìlú Ọ̀yọ́, ó yẹ kí Ṣàngó jọba.
According to locals in Igbeti, this town was formed by Aláàfin Ṣàngó Àjàlá-Èjì around 8th century, when Oyomesi refused to put Shango on the throne after the death of his father, Oromiyan. He grew annoyed and left Oyo with his team. On his way to Ilefe, he got to the side of a big hill. He met a tall and huge woman who told Shango that she is the goddess of the hill and her name is Iyatomopo Eniyan, which later changed to Iyamopo. She advised Shango to stay with her, and soonest the Oyomesi would send for him. When Shango and his team were on the hill, his enemies made jest of him that he was living on a hill surrounded by the forest. Igbe Nioti. This appellation soon became the name Igbeti. Shango was recalled by the Oyomesi to be the next Aláàfin of Oyo after 7 years on the Iyamopo hill. And if you climb this rock, you will be able to witness the very location where Shango is believed to have resided in the past. Igbeti has preserved Yoruba traditions and remain an important center for Shango worship and cultural practice.
Igbeti náà ni mo ṣì wà báyìí, and basically this town is one of the most underrated town ní Yoruba history, because mi ò rí bí kankan tí history ti dárúkọ ìlú ìrí, and ara àwọn nǹkan tó jẹ́ nǹkan kàyéfì nínú ìlú yìí ó ní wípé Ṣàngó gbé inú ìlú yìí, Ṣàngó gangan ó gbé inú ìlú yìí fún ọdún 7. Bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni orí àpáta Ìyámọ̀pó ló wà lẹ́yìn ìpele ibi tí mo wà yìí. Màá fojú ọ̀nà ẹ̀sọ́ ẹ máa rí Ìyámọ̀pó yẹn látòkè. Mi ní àyè láti gùn, mi ní àǹfààní láti gùn lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí, ṣùgbọ́n màá sì fò, so màá jẹ́ kẹ́ rí bí Ìyámọ̀pó náà ṣe rí.
Who is Iyatomopo Eniyan, or better known as Iyamopo? Iyamopo Hill is the highest hill in Igbeti, which occupies over 6 kilometers of landmass, and Iyamopo is as high as 150 feet. In the ancient times, Iyamopo Hill also offers protection against invaders. The Fulani invasion resulted in the sack of Oyo, the capital of Oyo Empire. as the Fulani invaders passed through the town of Igbeti on their way to Yole. The local residents took refuge on the Iyamopo hill to defend themselves. The people of Igbeti applied a unique strategy by preparing okra soup and pouring it on the hills. As the Fulani invaders attempted to reach the people of Igbeti, they slipped and fell, causing frustration and forcing them to abandon their mission. Agbili Rock in Igbeti is a naturally formed statue resembling a mother carrying a load on her head with a child. According to legend, this unique rock formation came into existence when a woman stole yam tuber from the rocky area of the village.
Èèyàn ní tẹ́lẹ̀.
èèyàn ní òkúta ẹ̀ ayé ìgbà kan máa ń jí láfún káńbẹ̀ pàtó wọn máa ń sọ lábùsí pé wọ́n máa ń jí ká pàtó wọ́n jí ká ìyẹn tó jí ká ló di.
Èèyàn ní so ọwọ́ hùwà tí ọ̀dà tó fi di pé ọlọ́run àlákàá rẹ̀ ẹ rí i pé rírí tẹ́ ẹ rí ọ̀dà rẹ̀ gbọ́ rẹ̀ rù lórí ọlọ́run lọ́ àlákàá ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ èèyàn ní tẹ́lẹ̀ èèyàn bí ẹlẹ́mìí ara bíi tiwa yìí náà ni so ọwọ́ dàbí ẹni pé gba ìlú yìí lẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe aburú ó lè jà ńgbà kan tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n lè wọ ọbẹ̀ ẹ rí i pé igbó pọ̀ mẹ́ wọn rí mú gbọ́dọ̀ kankan àti ní ìrìn ọmú ènìyàn.
And lastly, Igbeti is known as a marble city for its rich marble deposits.
Apart from these imposing hills, the major strength of Igbeti people is the marble. A huge and rich deposit of marble forms the base of the town, and in almost every community within the town, this wonder mineral is abundantly available.
We hope you enjoy learning about this town's connection to Chango, its cultural heritage, and the intriguing tales surrounding Agbili Rock. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future content. Feel free to leave any comments or question below. Until next time, keep exploring the rich Yoruba history and mythology. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.